Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best smartphones that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Samsung Electronics Galaxy Note 25G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone. The Samsung Galaxy Note 25G together with its higher-end variant, the Note 25G Ultra, are arguably the biggest, most powerful Android phones on the market. Both are great options if you're looking for a high-performance, stylus-equipped phone to allow for fast multitasking, note-taking, web browsing, gaming, and photography. Both phones are powerhouses, boasting Snapdragon 865 Plus processors and between 8GB to 12GB of RAM depending on the configuration, allowing them to handle everything you can throw at them. The Note 20 is slightly smaller and more affordable with its 6.7-inch FHD screen. It has Samsung's classic Infinity O display with a cutout in the center for the selfie camera. The screen is a Super AMOLED Plus with 393 pixels per inch (ppi) and HDR10+ certification, giving you rich, inky blanks and great color contrast. The Note 20 Ultra is slightly bigger, consisting of a 6.9-inch Quad HD display. It's higher resolution at 496 pixels per inch and boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, allowing for smooth scrolling, gaming, and browsing. Camera quality is breathtaking, with the Note 20 boasting a triple rear camera setup with a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, and a 64MP telephoto camera for high-quality zoom. The Note 20 Ultra takes it a step further with a 12MP ultra-wide camera paired with a 108MP wide-angle camera, a 12MP telephoto camera, and a laser autofocus sensor for fast focusing and snaps. Both phones are capable of lossless optic zoom, though the Note 20 can do 3x while the Note 20 Ultra can handle 5x. At number 4. Apple iPhone 11 Pro Fully Unlocked Smartphone. The iPhone is one of the most popular cell phones and some might argue the best smartphone. The new iPhone 11 Pro gains a triple-lens camera system, and while that's not a new idea, Apple has combined the three cameras, a 26mm wide-angle f1.8, a 13mm ultra-wide-angle f2.4, and a telephoto f2.0, all of which are 12-megapixel shooters, with its A13 Bionic chips neural engine to provide computational photography features that make these cameras much greater than the sum of their parts. As borne out in our testing, Apple's new night mode lets you take great and natural-looking pictures in very low light. Deep Fusion, on the other hand, blends multiple photos together, pixel by pixel, choosing the best parts of each. On top of that, you now get 4K, 60fps video recording with extended dynamic range and a smooth optical zoom that seamlessly transitions between all three lenses without missing a beat. The front-facing TrueDepth camera can now take 12-megapixel selfies as well, with 4K, 60fps and slow-motion video capture available to power users. Apple has also seriously upped its OLED game, with the new Super Retina XDR display boasting a 2:1 contrast ratio, 1200 nits of brightness, plus Dolby Vision and HDR10 video. Spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support also make this one of the best pocket movie players you can get. At number 3. Google Pixel 4 Just Black Smartphone. Google's Pixel 4 has some of the tightest integration that you'll find in any Android smartphone, since of course Google makes both the hardware and the software, giving it the advantage of ensuring that everything works seamlessly. This also means that you get a pure Android experience-free clutter and always ready for the latest updates. With Android 10 naturally built in right out of the box, the Pixel 4 also includes extremely advanced support for Google Assistant, letting you easily call it up to not only do things like sending messages and checking the weather forecast, but also control phone features and even take selfies. Cool new gesture controls also let you interact with the Pixel 4 in a way that feels almost magical, and the new Secure Face Unlock feature gives Apple's Face ID a serious run for its money. When it comes to photography, it's also a worthy successor to the Pixel 3, which was already widely recognized as taking some of the best photos of any smartphone. And don't be fooled by the dual-lens camera system, as our testing shows you'll still get amazing results thanks to Google's artificial intelligence features that analyze every shot for improved color, clarity, and detail, and even let you take stunning shots in extremely low light thanks to the revolutionary night sight mode. At number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25G factory unlocked new Android cell phone. The Galaxy S25G is Samsung's mainstay 5G flagship phone. It comes in a total of 3 variants, the S20, S20 Plus, and the most expensive, S20 Ultra 5G. Across the board you're looking at 3 powerful, capable phones with 5G capabilities, solid specs, and great multi-camera setups for the price. All 3 devices have a Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED display with the Infinity O cutout for the front-facing camera. The S20 is 6.2 inches, the S20 Plus 6.7 inches, and the S20 Ultra is the largest at 6.9 inches, putting it on par with the Note 20 Ultra. Under the hood you have a capable Snapdragon 865 processor and 12 GB of RAM, which can handle everything you can throw at it in terms of multitasking and gaming. Our reviewer noted that the camera performance is particularly impressive, combining a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a standard 12MP wide camera and a 64MP telephoto lens. It provides both the S20 and S20 Plus with 3x hybrid zoom and 30x super resolution zoom, which utilizes AI enhancement. The S20 Ultra takes things even further, adding a 108MP sensor, a 48MP telephoto camera, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a unique folded lens. This allows the Ultra to take in more light, and it supports Nona binning, combining 9 pixels into 1 at the sensor level, turning 108MP into 12MP for ultra-low light shots. At number 1. OnePlus 8 Pro Ultramarine Blue Android smartphone. The OnePlus 8 Pro is a stylish and capable successor to the OnePlus 7 Pro. It makes a number of refinements and enhancements to the design and features we liked in the previous model. For starters, it's a 6.78-inch sleek and stylish device that features attractive curved Gorilla Glass 5 edges and a metal frame. There are a number of eye-catching colors including green, blue, and black. When it comes to specs, you won't be disappointed. Under the hood you have a Snapdragon 865 processor, 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, and storage options for 128 GB or 256 GB. This is all running on OnePlus's Clean Oxygen OS based on Android 10. The result is fast, smooth performance that looks particularly gorgeous on the 120Hz Quad HD AMOLED display. Blacks are rich and dense, and other colors appear bright. LifeWire's Lance Ulanoff noted that the camera module also improved significantly from the 7 Pro. It consists of a 48MP main camera with a second 48MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, and software-based curved correction. All this results in a sensor that can take great wide-angle and low-light shots. There's also 8MP 3x optical zoom along with 30x hybrid zoom. It won't quite match what Samsung has to offer, but it comes close. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.